We're live, alright. Welcome to the Texas Nerd House, y'all, where we've got a very special presentation for you. I've been working hard on this old Commodore PET 4032 computer that went scuba diving somewhere near computer reset a long time ago, apparently. I've had this since last December when the original owner was still alive, sold it to me, gave me a good price on it, $20 for this Commodore PET. I went through and completely replaced all the capacitors on this thing on the inside, cleaned off the main board. We don't have the keyboard hooked up because you can see there's still a lot of work to do on the keyboard cleaning up. There's still some missing keys, some stuck keys. We just don't want to deal with that right at the moment. However, I noticed that we replaced the capacitor on here. We replaced all the capacitors on this board and on the monitor board as well, but not any of the transistors yet. So let's see exactly what will happen when we turn this thing on. Now, I don't know if it's in the on position already or not, but we'll find out momentarily.
And one of us has to live because we've got a newborn in the other room, so I'm the one behind the camera today.
Correctamundo. Here we are. We're plugging it in, and you know it's going to be hard to tell. I don't think this thing's got any fans in it or anything, so to see whether it's on or not, it's going to be difficult without getting a video signal, I think. So here we go. Here is this switch. Okay, well, sadly looks like nothing happened. Well, we got a flicker.
Oh.
There's a little blip that happened on the monitor here.
So it might be charging.
Well, it's thinking about something, I guess. It's hard to say. I don't want to ruin the ray gun on this thing if there's a situation where the electron gun's being driven in some weird pattern that's going to make it freak out. But obviously I'm touching the case and nothing's happening.
And we didn't hear pops, so...
Yeah, didn't really hear any pops.
That's a good sign.
Yes. So at this point, you know, I guess the remaining thing to do might be to find out if we've got correct voltages on the transformer, I suppose.
This is a good sign that nothing blows up.
Right.
We have voltages somewhere.
Mm-hmm.
Worst case scenario, we might be dealing with a transformer
mm-hmm.
that might have some bad coils or a bad connection, but that shouldn't be too horrendous.
Yes, or, you know, it could be something downstream from that. It could be a logic chip that's not strobing the address lines correctly, or it could be a bad ROM. It could be a lot of different things going on.
And you never know. They might have actually done something where they routed something through the keyboard, but I can't imagine that they would be that stupid.
Right. Yeah, so keyboard time would be inappropriate. Okay, so let me turn the thing off, I guess. I didn't see any more flickerage on the monitor the second time around, so let's just kind of disconnect all that stuff. And we can kind of... This is the one that goes into the monitor. And so you can disconnect that line. And there we go. And then, I guess any of you Commodore experts could see if there's anything in here that we should have had connected but we're missing. I'm going to remove this, bring it back as far as I can. Okay. Probably as far as that goes. Now, it should still be on. So let's see what we've got in terms of the alternating current, I guess.
Be careful.
Right. Now, I was hoping to be able to go down and find the ground strap.
I'm going to conveniently move out of the way, but...
Yes. Now,
still be here for you.
That, I don't know, chassis ground could potentially be the earth ground as well. Here's this. We're on AC mode on the multimeter. I don't even know which one the primary is, to be honest. Anything? I don't see any primary at all thus far. And this one here. And this one here. Yeah, nobody's admitting to being the primary, so that's kind of weird.
Well, that is one pretty rusted block.
Yes, it is quite rusted. I'm going to move the logic board out of the way, I think, and then see if I can get to this ground strap. It's over here. Don't
Just-
worry about
Yeah,
on
I
the
won't
computer.
film that. That's fine. Yeah, and my voice is kind of busted.
Yes. Okay, so let's turn it back on briefly. Okay, see if there's any more leads on this thing or what. You know, it could be that rust got in there anyway and has messed up the transformer, so who only knows what's going on inside of that thing. And
Good news is we may know somebody who has spare parts for these things.
haha, yes. It's okay, so now we're still on AC. There's really nothing going on that guy, nothing going on this guy. They're all showing the same. That guy looks to be totally dead. The rest of these are dead. It's totally dead. Some of these kind of floating around a little bit, you know what I mean? This one's not showing much of anything. 1/10 of a volt AC. Okay, here's this line. Didn't check that one before. Nope, even less. This one.
I think the transformer might just be hosed.
Yeah, so nobody is admitting to being ground unless I'm just not on the ground strap, which could be possible. Let's try this one more time, and if not, then we will need some of our friends to help us diagnose what the heck is going on that have worked on
Wow.
pets before.
Yeah. You mean the pet spurt?
The pet spurt.
We've got 2 pet spurts that we know
Mm-hmm.
who are local and would have parts. But then again, we were like, for $20, if nothing about it works and we just turn it into like a Fallout terminal,
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
as something fun to play with. I
Right, we could
mean,
even put a Raspberry Pi inside of here or something. In the worst case scenario.
worst case scenario. But the board seemed to be in decent shape. That's all. The boards seem to be pretty good, and like these
Yeah,
are
the
kind of
board's really
known to be
cleaned up
like
nicely.
rust buckets anyway.
Yeah, so I didn't get the transformer to admit anything when using the ground straps here or potentially this ground here.
In either switch position.
Yes, now a transformer is not really going to have ground in of itself, I don't think.
No,
right?
no, but
'Cause all it has is the neutral and the hot and then the windings to step it to various other voltages.
right. And you're going to see that all on the other side because you have your primaries and your secondary.
Mm-hmm.
So, what is the primary voltage on this and the secondary voltage?
I'm guessing the primary would be 120. I think it's really 117 and
No,
the
that's the
secondaries.
input. There's the primary and the secondary
Primaries are
windings.
usually your inputs, so I thought. Secondaries are your outputs. Well, in any event, I'm not sure what the secondary windings are in general anyway. I haven't done the research on the transformer for this
Well,
yet.
I mean, it's going to be a linear power supply.
Yeah, I'm assuming there's probably a 5. Well, then again, maybe not, because there is a
I mean, it
7805
might
on
be
there,
a
I
switch
think.
mode, but
There's a 7905 on there for sure. There is a 5 volt 1 amp transistor on there that regulates power. So it could be a
so is it 5 and 12?
yeah, probably 5 and 12, and then something for the CRT as well.
Yeah, so that's going to be much higher voltage.
Certainly. Well, folks, I guess we're out of luck for the time being. We did see a little flicker of light on the monitor. Hopefully we didn't mess it up, but we'll have to see what comes out of the future. Thanks for joining us, and until next time, bye, y'all!